Students tend to use one of two methods when multiplying numbers. Some students learn the traditional method of using partial products, and other students learned using lattice squares. And I've even seen students use other methods as well. It doesn't matter which method you use, just so long as you're getting the right answer. We're going to do an example together. First, we're going to use the traditional method of using partial products, and we'll do the same problem again using the lattice square. When we multiply using this method, we always start by multiplying the number on the bottom to the number on the top. And we do this in order from place value, starting in the ones place and working our way up. So that means we're going to start with our 1, and we're going to multiply it to the 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we're going to multiply again our 1, but this time we're going to multiply it to the 7. 1 times 7 is 7. Good. Now, because I have used the 1 already and I'm done with it, I'm going to put a 0 here to represent that we are done with the ones place. We're now moving on to the tens place. We have a 5. We're going to take this 5 and multiply it to the 2. 5 times 2 is 10. We put down our 0 here and we carry our 1. Now we do 5 times 7. 5 times 7 is 35. Then you have to add the number you've carried. 35 plus 1 is 36. We have our partial products down here. To get our final answer, we need to add our partial products together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 0 is 7, and we just bring down our 6 and 3 because we're not adding anything to them. Our final answer is 3,672. Okay, because we have two numbers here and two numbers here, it means we need to make a square that has 2 columns and 2 rows. So let's go ahead and set up our lattice square. Okay. We have our 2 rows and our 2 columns. Now we need to set up our diagonal lines across from corner to corner. Great. Now we're ready to multiply our numbers. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 7 is 35. 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 times 7 is 7. Now we just need to add up the numbers in our diagonals. We're not adding 2 to anything, so we just bring it down. 0 plus 0 plus 7 is 7. 1 plus 5 plus 0 is 6. And we're not adding anything to the 3, so we just bring it down. And here we have 3, 6, 7, 2. Our answer is 3,672.